bonus pa. And looking at the innocent play there, I do admit maasim talaga siya in Tagalog terms.
Yeah, that was
Pero for RSG kasi, that's the risk eh. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit sila nagkakaroon ng championship 4 para napapalibutan na din si Kai sa Godlike.
kakaila. At ngayon, RQ ang umaabante.
Okay. Nahuli na naman si Stormy. Di ba kakapag-push ng plano dito ng SRGOG? This might be it para sa Ars na 2-3 kayong dedepensa pero makakabasag pa rin kami ng Torre.
Yeah, it's gonna be 3v5. I wonder if they're gonna make a play here. But looks like it is gonna be it. Sekai's Angel Phantom Execution. It's not gonna be enough for Cram as well. Going down. Hindi na...
Long as makip nila na malayo din sila Yums as well as Sekai's committing their Fiska quiz break. Pati na rin yung mga previous fighter dito na pagpasok. And sa may pinakagilid, Rinse on a very tight situation pero makakalusot. Sila ay makakaligtas pa rin naman. They're not taking the risk na boom.
Alam ko na yung play dito. Gumagawa sila ng distraction play. Si Innocent taas sa taas, guys! Nag-ahabol sila. Si Kai kahit luging-lugi na.
Ay, very familiar. Mr. of Destruction. Kaso, makakakuha pa na shutdown kasi Innocent. What a wild chase!
What a play! Oh my God!
Let's go for it! May mga aspects na nakakalamang RQ pero dito lalamang yata sila. Nahuli din si Cram. But at the same time, malayo si Kai sa pinakalikod at si Itong matatanggalan ng immortality. Going for the takedown dito ang SRGOG habang si Rince nagpapaulan lang kanyang mga lantern flare. Nagagana naman yung kanyang DPS. Si Kais will fall down. Same as Sutsujin. Cram on the other hand. Lalayong pilit si Idok. Pero maiilawan. Makikita ng RQ yung pag-asa na makakuha ng plane, makakuha ng kills. Innocent trying his best. At madadali ang kanyang immortality. At sa kabilang banda naman ay matatanggal ang apat sa SRGOG. Stormy the only man left, but not anymore. As RQ Hoshi focuses their sights, ends the game number 1 into their favor.